Good morning, everybody. Uh, we will wait for 2 more minutes. After that, we will start our lecture. Okay, and we have 10 students only. So let us wait for a few more. After that, we will start our lecture. Good morning, everybody. Am I audible to you, Mohammed Aves?
हाँ सर।
Okay. So we will wait for 1 more minute. Total, we have 18 students are there. Let us wait for a few more. After that, we will start. And one important thing is you need to practice the examples of the chain survey. So have you practiced about that examples? Anuj, તમે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી છે એક્ઝામ્પલ્સની? અનુજ, અંજન પરમાર, યશ પરમાર,
Yes, sir.
હા તમે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી છે? ચેન સર્વે
Yes,
ના
sir.
એક્ઝામ્પલ છે એની પ્રેક્ટિસ તમે કરી?
हाँ बोले टू लॉन्ग ने टू शॉर्ट वाले ने सर।
હમ.
हाँ सर हाँ।
ઓકે, બીજું કોણ છે આપણે? કુંજ પરસાનિયા, તમે કરી છે પ્રેક્ટિસ?
સર હું લેક્ચરમાં નતો, ઓફ થઈ ગયા હતા ને ત્યાં ગયા તમે લોકો.
હા, એ તો બરોબર છે પણ આપણે બે બાજુ પેરેલલ ચાલુ તો રાખવું પડશે ને, સ્ટડી તો ચાલુ જ રાખવી
સર
પડશે.
આજેથી બધું
હમ
આજેથી બધું કરીશ.
હમ. પછી दीपक कुमार चौधरी, आपने प्रैक्टिस किया एग्जाम्पल्स?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, उमेश कुमार,
यस सर।
आपने प्रैक्टिस किया है एग्जाम्पल्स चेन सर्वे का?
ये सब पिछले वाला किए थे वही है, उसके बाद वाला भी नहीं है।
Okay, so what is the important to you? You need to practice the example, then and then you are able to get that idea behind the example. And finally, I had already uploaded the assignments of the survey, okay, which is the chain survey and compass survey. So you need to bring out that two assignment before 17th of October. So If you have not started yet, just start writing, because I have seen that many of you have not submitted the assignment, previous assignments on time. Majority. So definitely, if I had a chance to fail everybody, so I will fail everybody. I have no issue. Okay. So it is not like that કે બધાનું થશે એ આપણું થશે. જો તમે લેટ કરશો, બીજા 5 લોકો લેટ કરશે, હે, આખો ક્લાસ લેટ થશે તો આખો ક્લાસ ફેલ થશે. I don't care. Okay. So that is straightforward instruction from my side. So be on time, that is my point, and be with your quality work. Otherwise, ready for pay a price for it in terms of the punishment. Okay. So this is the last and final warning from my side. Before 17th of October, you need to submit all the assignments that is given to you in the surveying subject or any other subject. Okay. You need to submit well in the time. Okay. And today we are going to, today we are, yes.
સર એક એક્ઝામ રિલેટેડ પૂછવું
હા
હતું.
હા બોલો.
સર આપણે ટર્મ એન્ડ લાસ્ટમાં ગયું છે ડિસેમ્બર સુધી, તો ડિસેમ્બરમાં જ એક્ઝામ હશે ને ફાઇનલ્સ?
એ જે ફાઇનલ કેલેન્ડર આવ્યું નથી. ફાઇનલ ઇન ધ સેન્સ કે ભાઈ ડેટ જે છે આ ગવર્મેન્ટ ઉપર ડિપેન્ડન્ટ છે, કારણ કે ગવર્મેન્ટ જે રીતે ડિસિઝન લે એજ્યુકેશન ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ ક્યારે ઓપન કરવી, શું કરવું, એના ઉપર જે છે ટર્મ એન્ડનું અને બધી વસ્તુ ફિક્સ થાય, એક્ઝામ્સ ક્યારે લેવી. સો વી આર ઓલ્સો વેઇટિંગ ફોર ધ ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન ફ્રોમ ધ ગવર્મેન્ટ, and if a positive decision is come in favor of us, so we will start this semester as well as next semester on online. So that is the case. So we are also waiting for the instruction of the government, and let's hope for a good. And one more thing, today we are going to practice the examples only, so that if you have any kind of doubt, okay, so we can solve it. And the module number 2, which is the chain survey, had been already covered. Third module, that is your compass survey, that is also had been covered, but we have go through very fast and very, we have taken the very quick overview of that, because you have learned the examples and all the practicals relevant to the compass survey in the JSERS portion. So briefly I am presenting a screen to you, and on which if you have any kind of doubt in a particular slide, just ask me the question. I am rolling it, and after that we are going for the practice of the example. So if you have use your calculator, bring it out. Okay. And we will try to solve the examples. Meanwhile, we will solve the examples of the compass survey. Let us understand the concept of the compass survey by practicing the example. I will first of all ask simple example. If the all the concept and fundamentals are clear to you, that means you are able to solve that example. Okay, so that is the attachment level, not very hard and fast. Chain survey examples, I have asked very interesting questions in the assignments, so we will try to solve that also. Okay. So first of all, I'm presenting a screen to you. If meanwhile, if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me regarding the that PPT. Okay. So I'm sharing a screen with you, and so we have gone to very fast, and because you have that portion had been already covered in the JSERS portion, majority examples and all the things, right? So I'm moving on the PPT on your screen. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me. This is particular for revision, okay, revision and example practice. In the compass survey, we have discussed about the introduction of the compass, types of the compasses, and different bearings, errors in the compass survey. Meanwhile, if any kind of doubt, I will roll it all the slides within 5 minutes only. Okay. So if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask. After we start our practice the examples. So we have a two types of traverse. Basically, the compass survey is work on the traversing concept. Okay. So that is the open traverse. Examples of the open traverse are river, which is the only a linear movement you can see, or railway lines. It is not a closed loop you can see. While in case of closed traverse, it is always in the closed circuit format. So that is, it can represent your boundaries of your house, boundaries of your town planning schemes, garden boundaries. Okay, so these are always in the closed traverse. Okay, so that is the case. We have understand the basic fundamental of the compass. Compass is nothing but in Gujarati we can say હોકા યંત્ર. કે એનો કોન્સેપ્ટ શું છે કે ભાઈ તમે જ્યારે કોઈ સોય હોય, આયનની બનેલી સોય હોય, એને તમે સસ્પેન્ડ કરાવો, બરોબર, કોઈ પાઇવટ ઉપર, તો એ જે છે એ અર્થના નોર્થ પોલ સાથે એટ્રેક્ટ કરે, જે સોયનો સાઉથ પોલ. સો નોર્થ એન્ડ સાઉથ will attracted, north nor will disperse. So that is the main fundamental of the compass. Okay, south pole છે એ north pole ને attract કરશે. Okay, and no, south pole will attract the north pole. So that is the main fundamental of the compass, right? We have two types of the compass. Number one is prismatic compass, surveyor's compass. We have seen the images of the prismatic compass. You can see. You need to understand the different parts of the compasses. And here you can say this is our eye vein, because we are going to see the readings from this glass. We will try to match this point. You can see, oh, this is a slit over here. Okay, through slit we will see that this is object vein. We will see it from that object vein here, and finally this ranging rod is kept there, and we will match all these 3 points to take a reading. So you need to understand the different parts of the compass. Here you can see the parts are, you can see a prism is there. This is the prism. Then we have a compass box. In the compass box, you can see the graduated ring attached with the needle. Okay, so here you can see north pole is there. So this north pole is this side. That means south pole of Earth is in this direction. Okay. Meanwhile, object vein is there. You can see, and a pivot. Pivot is nothing but that is a vertical axis or vertical pole. Here you can see the reading pattern is there. You can see a black line is there, which is always in the north direction, right? So if you are going to measure the angle between two lines, one line should be fixed, that is your reference line. Okay, that we have already learned in the fundamentals of the surveying. Meanwhile, you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me, right? And I'm telling you once again, don't go with any kind of social media platform during the lecture. Okay, તમે ઇન્સ્ટાગ્રામ ઉપર ના જતા રહેતા, કારણ કે ઇટ ઇઝ વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ટુ યુ. ઓકે, કે બીજા સોશિયલ મીડિયા પર ના જતા રહેતા મોબાઈલ છોડીને, રાઈટ? Because I observe that trend. Okay, so that is the case. And meanwhile, if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me, right? So here you can see the reading pattern is there. You can see here the readings are marked in the inverted form. You can see inverted એટલે ઊંધા લખાયેલા છે. જો આપણા અરીસામાં તમે રીડિંગ જો એવી રીતે લખાયેલા છે. કેમ કે અહીંયા પ્રિઝમ જે છે મિરર ઇફેક્ટ આપશે. જે ઊંધું લખાયેલું જે છે રીડિંગ, that is reversed and it will see as a original. Okay, so that is the case. यहाँ पे उल्टा लिखा हुआ है, जैसे कि हमारे एम्बुलेंस में उल्टा लिखा होता है, एम्बुलेंस. क्यों? क्योंकि आप जब, हाँ, मिरर होता है तो मिरर में देखने से वो सीधा लगेगा. सो मीनवाइल यू कैन सी ऑब्जर्व, योर ऑब्जर्वेशन पावर शुड बी शार्प इनफ. तो यहाँ पे उल्टे लिखे हैं, दिख रहा है आपको? यहाँ पे 50 जो है उल्टा लिखा हुआ है, राइट? जैसे आप इसको मिरर में देखोगे तो ये सीधा हो जाएगा, राइट? And this is the example of the surveyor compass. You can see you must have a idea about the differentiation between the two types of the compass. So all the parts remain same. You can see that the graduated ring is fixed in the surveyor compass and needle is suspended to the pivot, and all the necessary parts are common in the surveyor's compass. Here you can see the reading pattern is also different. You can see north, south, east, and west. So here you can see the readings are only between 0 to 90 in quadrantical form. That's why the reading taken on this compass is called the quadrantical bearing or reduced bearing, right? So this is the two difference between two compasses, you can say, right? The description is all written here that we have already discussed. Different parts you need to remember the at least 7 to 10 parts. Okay, so which is very easy to you. You can say that this is the prism, this is the mirror, you can say sunglasses, you can say the graduated ring, glass cover, compass box, a eye vine, object vane, mirror, and needle, you can say. Okay, so that is the few major components of the prismatic compass. I can ask this to draw in your examination. Okay, meanwhile this is the surveyor's compass. We have a tiny pocket type of surveyor compass are also there, you can see. So normally it is used in the, well, when you are traveling on the surface of the ocean surface, right? So I named the one movie name also Gaziatek. So that is in the Gaziatek movie. Surveyor compass is the role of the surveyor compass is very important because you are not aware about the your exact location. You need to judge your location from one place to another place, right? So you can take, uh, you can see the drawings are made there in the film, right? So that drawing is completely based on the fundamentals of the compass surveying. Okay, so that is the case. We have two different types of the methodology to mark the reading. Number one is WCB. If your mark readings are marked between 0 to 360, that is called the whole circle bearing, quadrantical bearing. It is marked in only in 0 to 90, but the pattern is south. We can always measure from the north and south, either in the clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction, right? So if the readings come that south 45-degree west, that is always a quadrantical bearing. Okay, then we have seen the different types of the temporary adjustment of the prismatic compass. First of all, you require the centering. Your center on the ground should be exactly over the center of the compass. So that is the centering. Leveling. Your compass should be in a perfectly horizontal plane so that you cannot you can avoid the mistakes. Okay. Then focusing on the object, that should be very based on your eye vision. And finally, observing the bearing line. Bearing is nothing but that is your angle. Meanwhile, if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me. Okay, just I'm rolling because of your kind information. Permanent adjustment, sometimes needle itself give the wrong reading because of its bending, because due to the temperature variation, due to seasonal variation, right? So sometimes the side vanes and pivot is also not vertical exactly 90-degree. So you need to check out for this kind of permanent adjustment, okay, at the regular interval, right? The description is written there, you can see, right? Meridians, very important thing. You can see that our earth is tilted at the 23.5 degree. Normally this kind of questions asked in the interviews. At that time you must have an idea regarding the, પહેલા તો એ ખબર હોય છે ભાઈ અર્થ જે છે ટિલ્ટેડ છે, હે પછી એમાં તમે સામો ક્વેશ્ચન કરી દો સાહેબ પૃથ્વી ક્યાં તો સીધું જ દેખાય છે. It is not like that. It is tilted at 23.5 degrees, so definitely it will generate an angle there. Here you can see angle. This is the true north, right? આપણે north direction હંમેશા ઉપરની દિશામાં બતાવીએ છીએ, right? हम जो नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन है वो ऊपर की दिशा में ही बताते हैं, ठीक है? कहीं पे भी मैप में आप देखोगे तो ऐसा नहीं होगा कि नॉर्थ कहीं साइड में चला गया, राइट? सो दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड मेथड. तो ये हमारा नॉर्थ है, लेकिन एक्चुअली क्या हुआ कि अर्थ टिल्टेड है तो हमारी सुई जो है, हमारा सस्पेंडेड जो नीडल है वो किस तरह मूव होगी? डेफिनेटली मैग्नेटिक नॉर्थ की तरफ डिक्लाइन होगी. सो दैट इज द मैग्नेटिक बेरिंग. एंगल बना यहाँ पे, ओके. So that is the case if your line is AB here. So if you are taking true meridian or true north as a reference line, it is called the true bearing. You can see. Okay, because while you are performing any kind of surveying, you require a reference line. Without reference line, it is not possible to carry out a survey. Why you are late, Abhay? Abhay,
Yes, sir.
yes. Why you are late?
Sir, net issue, sir. I was
Hmm?
trying to join, but it's not come, sir. Network issue, sir. It's not
Okay,
joining.
okay.
Joining.
Right. So yes, okay, fine, okay, fine. So not an issue. You had come to the class. That is an important point. Okay, learning is important. So that is the case. So you can see that based on the reference line, we have a two types of the system.
Network issue is there.
Yes, yes, I got your point. I got your point. Okay. So here you can see if you are taking the true north as a reference line. Okay. So that is your true bearing. Bearing is nothing but that is your angle, right? And if you are taking a magnetic north as a reference line, that is called the magnetic bearing, or you can say this is the thing. So you need to keep this figure in your mind to understand the meridian and bearing concept, right? And arbitrary sometimes these reference lines are not available. Let us give me one example. मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल दूं कि मान लीजिए आप कहीं ऊंची पहाड़ी पे आप सर्वे कर रहे हैं, राइट? जहाँ पे जैसे कि हमने यहाँ राजकोट में भी नेटवर्क का इश्यू है, तो जब आप दूर दराज के एरिया में सर्वे करने जाते हैं तो वहां पे कोई केबल कनेक्शन या नेटवर्क नहीं होता, राइट? तो उस टाइम आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? आपको एक टेम्पररी जो है एक रेफरेंस लाइन लेनी पड़ेगी। ठीक है, कई बार हमारे अभी क्या है कि हमारे आपके सर के ऊपर जो है आपके मोबाइल को कनेक्ट करने के लिए एट ए टाइम 3 सैटेलाइट आपके सर के ऊपर होते ही है, राइट? टू गिव यू एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन ऑफ योर डिवाइस और जीपीएस। लेकिन कभी कभार क्या होता है कि आपके सर के ऊपर अभी आप जब बैठे हो जहाँ पे, वहां से आप लोकेट कर सकते हो 8 to 9 सैटेलाइट एट ए टाइम, एनी टाइम, राइट? बट कई बार क्या होता है कि दूर दराज के एरिया में बफर जोन जो होता है, जैसे कि हमने एक मूवी में देखा है, वो बफर जोन वाली मूवी कौन सी आई थी अपना, अपने वो कुछ एटम बम वाली थी, कुछ ले जा रहे थे परमाणु बम। तो उस मूवी में परमाणु शायद मूवी थी, परमाणु मूवी में जैसे वो सैटेलाइट का बफर टाइम यूज करते हैं टायर के निशान मिटाने के लिए। So similarly, in some areas, we have a buffer zone. Okay, so where you cannot locate a single satellite to find the location. So at that time, you required an arbitrary meridian, arbitrary reference line. Meridian is nothing but that is your reference line. Okay, so you need to take the arbitrary यानी कि आपको टेम्पररी लेना पड़ेगा रेफरेंस लाइन। तो उसके रिस्पेक्ट में हम एंगल मेजर करेंगे तो वो होगा आपका arbitrary bearing, right? And finally grid bearing, रेखांश, अक्षांश, okay, longitude, latitude and altitude. So that is your grid bearings. Okay, so that is your lines. Forebearing and back bearing. So the difference between the forebearing and back bearing must be 180 degree. I hope that you are aware about the concept of the forebearing and back bearing. We will see that while solving the example. Okay, so keep in mind we are going to solve the example based on the forebearing and back bearing also, right? So the formula for the forebearing and back bearing is equal to back bearing is equal to forebearing plus or minus 180. If your forebearing is less than 180, just add 180 degree to that. એટલે કંઈક ઘટે છે તમે ઉમેરો અને વધારે છે તેમાંથી બાદ કરો, રાઈટ? तो अगर ज्यादा है तो उसको कम करो, है ना? तो फोरबेरिंग ज्यादा है 180 से तो उसको कम करो, लेकिन अगर कम पड़ रहा है 180 से कम पड़ रहा है तो उसमें 180 ऐड कर दो,
राइट। सो इफ योर फोर बेरिंग इज 43 यानी कि 180 से कम है तो उसमें ऐड कर दीजिए, 2 to 3 डिग्री आ जाएगा, राइट। मीनवाइल इफ ज्यादा है 180 से, ये ज्यादा है फोर बेरिंग, तो बैक बेरिंग के लिए उसमें से 180 डिडक्ट कर दो, राइट। Then different kinds of the instruments that you are already knowing. This is the very important thing, magnetic declination. As I mentioned, the earth is tilted at the 23 degree, okay, 23.2 degree, sorry, 23.5 degree exactly. And based on the needle's movement, either it is in the, આપણે બે એવી રીતે હોય કે northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. So similarly, in case of declinations, we have a easternly declination and westernly declination, right? As per the Cartesian system. So here you can see that based on the declination, we have a two terms are there. Here you can see this is our map of world. You can see, and the lines are drawn. It is like a control line. Okay. So this is your declination value, right? When you draw a line having a zero declination value, so that line is called the agonic line. Here you can see agonic line is zero. Okay. And when you draw a line passing through the same declination point, that is called isogonic line. So isogonic and agonic. Agonic means anti. Anti means zero. Like you can consider that. Antibodies આવે છે. તો એવી રીતે anti એટલે તમે zero consider કરી શકો. Okay. Particular with respect to this agonic line and isogonic lines. Meanwhile, we have three different kinds of the errors applicable everywhere. Number one, instrument error. ક્યારેક એક્ઝામમાં તમે હોય તો મને તમારું કેલ્ક્યુલેટર જ ભૂલ કરે, હે. So that is the case, instrument error, personal error, plus you want plus, but by mistake you have put a cross multiplication. So that answer is wrong. Error due to the natural causes, right? So that is the also applicable in the compass survey. This is very interesting, local attraction. Okay. So if your magnetic needle is attracted by some magnetic field around you, so that is called the local attraction. The sources are there, ions, right? तो मैग्नेट जो है वो आयन को अट्रैक्ट करता है, राइट। सो मैग्नेटिक रॉक, जहां आप सर्वे करते हो वहां आसपास जो रॉक्स है उसमें अगर मैग्नेट का जो है कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है तो आपका सर्वेइंग जो है वो अफेक्ट हो सकता है, लोकल अट्रैक्शन बोलेंगे उसको। और आर्टिफिशियल सोर्सेस में स्टील, रेलवेज, आयरन पाइप्स, इलेक्ट्रिकल केबल्स, मेटालिक चेन एंड स्टील टैप्स, राइट। First method to identify the local attraction, the sum of your interior angle should be 2n minus 4 into 90 degree. N is equal to number of sides, right? So that is the case. Second method, you can see here, if your difference between fore bearing and back bearing is not 180 degree, that means your survey work is affected by the local attraction, right? However, it will not affect your final result. Why? In the surveying, if you have taken a false instrument and you have carry out the survey with the fault instrument throughout your project, then you are right. Okay. So that is what we call the relative measurement, right? अगर मैं आपको एग्जांपल देता हूं कि एलिमिनेशन ऑफ लोकल अट्रैक्शन यानी कि ई पॉइंट से एन पॉइंट तक जाने के लिए सपोज ई को आप 0 बोलते हो, राइट, और एन को आप 15 बोलते हो, तो सर्वेइंग में जो है रिलेटिव होता है, तो 15 माइनस 0 करना होता है आपका, राइट। तो आपका आंसर मिला 15। अगर आपका इंस्ट्रूमेंट गलत है और आपने यहाँ ई को इंस्ट्रूमेंट की गलती सी वजह से 0 को उसने बोल दिया 7 और 7, ठीक है, somehow due to some error, तो आपको ये डिस्टेंस मिलेगा वो इतना ही मिलेगा, 7 plus 15, राइट। तो दैट इज 22। तो यहाँ पे एन पे आपको 22 मिलेगा, यहाँ पे 7 मिलेगा, तो अल्टीमेट थिंग इज रिजल्ट इज 22 minus 7, that is your 15। So in the both case answer will be same, right? But you need to check for the different kind of the errors and necessary checks. What is the field work? First of all, you require a rough survey. preparation of the index sketch, marking the station on the ground, locating the station, measuring and recording of survey lines, and measurement of bearings of the survey lines. So this is the whole third module of the compass survey, right? Now everybody just turn on your screen, turn on your video screen, everybody, right? Everybody turn on your video screen. So that I can see that how many of you are active member. Yes, my voice is not audible to you. Turn on. Turn your video screen. Yes. आपको हाँ आपका वीडियो स्क्रीन ऑन कीजिए. Everybody. Am I not audible to you?
जी सर
સંભળાય છે સર.
હા તો સ્ક્રીન કેમ નથી ચાલુ કરતા? હા સ્ક્રીન કર દો બધા, ચાલો વિડિયો સ્ક્રીન ઓન કર દો બધા. એનો નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુ છે એ મને જરા મેસેજ કરી દો, એટલે આપણે નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુ વાળાને સેપરેટલી વાત કરશું. Just drop a message if you have any kind of network issue.
સર મારે જે નેટ કનેક્શન છે જે રિજોઈન થયું સર.
Fast. I said, if you have any kind of network issue, just mention in the chat box so I can identify those people having the network issue. Right? Based on that, I can easily analyze that how many of you are getting our lectures. Why if you have any kind of problem, please mention in the chat box so that I can understand. Otherwise I'll remove everybody, those who have not started the video. Just mention, otherwise I will simply remove them. People say, Jal, have you turned on your screen?
યસ સર.
Okay, fine. So, say, I want to meet you face to face. Why? Because if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me. And I hope that you have understand the compass survey, right? Thoroughly. તમને તો જ ક્વેશ્ચન થશે જો તમે સમજ્યા હશો. કાં તો બધું ઉપરથી નીકળી ગયું છે અને કાં તો બધું સમજી ગયા છો. આ બધું સમજ્યા કેસ ઘણા ઓછા છે. 90% કેસ માં બધું સમજાણું એવા ઓછા છે. નથી સમજાણું તો તમે એક્ટિવ, આપણે કહેવાય ને કે એક્ટિવ મેમ્બર બનવું પડે. So that is the case. So you can ask me if you have any kind of doubt regarding the surveying. Otherwise, we will go back to the practicing the example. કોઈ ડાઉટ નથી? પછી એક ખાલી સિમ્પલ તમને ખાલી એક બેઝિક ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન આપી દઉં કે પછી એવું તમને એવું ના થાય કે સાહેબ કે એવો ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછી લીધો હે. So that is my point. Okay, so you can turn off your screen and
સર પેલો રિપીટ કરશો સર હું લેટ જોઈન થયો હતો.
right, you can turn off your screen. So now let us try to solve one example. Okay, so that I can understand how much you are getting regarding the compass survey, right? આનો જેટલા આન્સર ખોટો આવે આ ક્વેશ્ચન આન્સર જેટલા લોકોને ખોટો આવશે રાઈટ એ લોકોએ આ કંપાસ સર્વેનું જે મોડ્યુલ જે છે એ લખીને મને બતાવવાનું થશે અપાર્ટ ફ્રોમ યોર અસાઇનમેન્ટ રાઈટ અને મીનવાઇલ હજી જો મને રિસ્પોન્સ કોઈ નહીં આપે તો એને આપણે ચેન સર્વે અને કંપાસ સર્વે બંને બરાબર એડિશનલી આના કરતા જો વધારે થશે તો આપણે હું તમને આખી બુક લખવા માટે આપી દઈશ એમાં કોઈ ઓબ્જેક્શન નહીં રહે રાઈટ so you when I ask you something you need to answer you need to respond otherwise just mention your problem in the chat box right so I'm presenting a screen to you and I hope that yes you need to solve this problem you can take a screenshot of this problem problems on included angle everybody has to submit this example right now તમે ખોટા છો તો તમારે કંપાસ સર્વેઇંગ નું આખું મોડ્યુલ લખવાનું થશે ઓકે તો તમે આનો સ્ક્રીનશોટ લઈ લો અને try to solve this and try to understand meanwhile તમને કાંઈમાં ક્વેરી હોય તમે મને પૂછી શકો
સર
if you have a network issue you can write down the in the chat box you can ask the question in the chat box also okay I'm not getting your voice just write down your problem in the chat box so the problem is this you need to solve by your own and if you fails ready to write the complete module the bearings of the line OA bearing is your angles how to take your bearing that you must know bearing of an angle bearing of the line OA OB OC OD are 30 degree 30 minute 140 degree 15 minute 220 degree 45 minutes and 310 degree 30 minute respectively so you need to find out the angles angle AOB angle BOC and angle COD so try to solve this example take a screenshot of this and just try to solve this example and those students have completed they can simply mention yes in the chat box right so I can get that just take a screenshot of this right now I'm removing this screen sharing your screen okay yes everybody has to try that example and let us see your fundamentals how you are clear about your fundamentals regarding the chain surveying. If you failed to answer this or you are struggling, that is okay, but you need to try at least once. Just mention yes if you have come up with the right answer, so I can have a chat with him or her. અંજન પરમાર છે?
યસ
એક્ઝામ્પલ તમે કરો છો ને?
સર હું ટ્રાય કરું છું, કારણ કે લાસ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં હું નહોતો ને, મારા ભાઈને ડેન્ગ્યુ થઈ ગયો તો હોસ્પિટલમાં દોડા દોડીમાં હતો.
હા, એ તો બરોબર
ટ્રાય
છે.
કરું છું સર.
ઓકે, ગુડ. પણ કન્ડિશન એ છે કે આ આજના લેક્ચરનું જ નથી, પાછળના લેક્ચરનું જ નથી. આ જય સરે તમને ફંડા ક્લિયર કરાવ્યો છે. સો ધીસ ઇઝ બેઝડ ઓન ધેટ. ઓકે, એવું નથી કે કાલ સવારનું જ લેક્ચરનું છે, બટ ધીસ
હા
ઇઝ
સર.
હા, you must have to try that. And if you fails, I will write down
ઓકે
the names of the students and I will share it in the WhatsApp group. If you fail to give me the correct answer, ready to write the complete module. That is the ultimate solution. Just mention yes in the chat box as you have completed. Aniket Undar.
No, sir, still trying.
Okay. अंकित कुमार मिश्रा.
बना रहे हैं।
अच्छा, आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना प्रॉब्लम क्या है, राइट अंकित? अनुज कचोरिया. अनुज कचोरिया છે રિસ્પોન્ડ નથી.
સર
હા, અત્યારે અવાજ પહોંચ્યો? હા,
નેટવર્ક પ્રોબ્લેમ છે એટલે સર.
મનન પરમાર. યસ યસ, જસ્ટ સેન્ડ મી યોર.
ગયું પણ આમાં સાચું ખોટું નથી ખબર.
હા, just send me your photograph to on WhatsApp. Send your work on WhatsApp.
ઓકે સર. સર રફલી કર્યું છે હો.
Just send me your work. Deepak Kumar Chaudhary. Not audible. Deepak Kumar. Karan Kumar Chaudhary. दीपक और करण.
यस सर. यस सर.
हाँ, क्या स्टेटस है दीपक अभी? हो रहा है एग्जाम्पल?
हाँ सर बना रहे हैं सर, लेकिन सर फिगर नहीं बन रहा है.
हाँ,
सर फिगर बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, नहीं बन रहा है.
अच्छा, करो करो, ट्राई करो. हाँ, दिस इज आई एम टेस्टिंग योर नॉलेज, your fundamental. It is like that. I am giving you the example of the summation. Yeah, just add 2 plus 5. Okay, what is the answer? 7. So if you are learning the surveying, it is like that. Deepak Kumar, okay, trying.
Yes sir.
If you fails, ready to write the complete module. Karan Kumar Chaudhary.
यस सर.
आपका क्या स्टेटस है?
सर सॉल्व कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, कीजिए, ट्राई कर रहे हैं ना? बन रहा है कि नहीं बन रहा है?
हाँ सर.
हाँ, बना. केवल
સર
दवे.
મોકલું મેં હો.
केवल.
यस सर
हम्म
ચાલુ જ છે સર.
ઓકે ધેન ખંજન પરમાર કોન્સેપ્ટ ખબર પડી? ખંજન પરમાર ઇઝ નોટ રિસ્પોન્ડિંગ.
સર ટ્રાય કરું છું.
હા હા બોલ ને મારો ભાઈ. હા રાઈટ. પછી હમણાં જે મોકલ્યું છે આપણે ચેક કરી લઈએ.
હા સર.
હા મનન. Just check out the whole circle.
Yes, sir.
Just check out the whole circle bearing method and try to resolve this example. Resolve this example. You make a simple mistake over there. Just try to avoid that mistake. Okay. Just see the reference for the whole circle bearing method. Okay, so your perception is wrong perception. Just recall the WCB system and come up with the solution. Right? So Manan છે try કરો ફરીથી.
Sir, clockwise થાય?
Yes.
Okay, sir, got it.
Okay. Then Khushi Rawal, are you trying?
યસ સર.
હા, શું સ્ટેટસ છે તમારે?
સર મને ડાઉટ છે આમાં.
હા બોલો, એટલે તો તમને પૂછું છું, એટલે તમને એક્ઝામ્પલ માટે કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરવા માટે આપ્યો. શું ડાઉટ છે?
સર જય સર હતા ને તો એ અમને એંગલ કહેતા એ બી સી ને ડી ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ, આમાં એંગલ એઓ બી કેવી રીતે? અમે ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ
વચ્ચે ઓ
એંગલ
આવે ને સર.
ફાઇન્ડ કરતા એ બી સી ડી એવી રીતે.
એંગલ બનાવી શકો ને તમે આમાં? તમને ફોર બેરિંગ નો કોન્સેપ્ટ ખબર છે?
હા, ફોર બેરિંગ ને બેક બેરિંગ લખવાના, પછી
હા
એમાં માઇનસ.
હા સિમ્પલ વસ્તુ છે. તો આમાં તમને શું આપ્યું છે?
ફોર બેરિંગ.
હા ફોર બેરિંગ આપ્યું છે. તો ઓએ લાઈન છે તો ઓએ 30 ડિગ્રી કયા પોઈન્ટ થી લેવાનું? ઓલવેઝ ટેક કે રીડિંગ ફ્રોમ ધ નોર્થ ઇન ક્લોકવાઇઝ ડાયરેક્શન WCB સિસ્ટમમાં કે નહીં?
યસ સર.
See the concept of the WCB system and you will get the idea કે એંગલ ક્યાં બને છે, કેવી રીતે બને ને કેવી રીતે ફાઇન્ડ કરાય. રાઈટ? ઓકે ખુશી. ચાલો પછી છે કૃપાલસિંહ ઝાલા, તમારે શું છે સ્ટેટસ?
સર લાસ્ટ બાકી છે.
ઓકે કુલદીપ દાદલ. What is your status, Kuldeep Dadal? Okay, it seems you are not responding to me. If you have a network issue, just write down in the chat box. Otherwise, you need to write down the both module, chain survey and compass survey. I am asking last time and final time. If you have an answer, tell me. If you have a problem, then also tell me. So Kuldeep Dadal will write both modules, which is available in the MU portal in PPT form, okay, along with the assignment. Kunj Persania, what is your status of example?
સર હમણાં સેન્ડ જ કરું.
Manan Parmar, do not share this image with anyone. So that is your responsibility.
Yes, sir.
That is your responsibility, because if your friends are not getting right, it is your duty to do not share the example solution with them. Okay, for betterment. બાકી copy case થઈ જશે. ચલો મિત કવર, what is your
સર
status?
થોડી વારમાં મોકલી.
Okay, are you getting this or not? આ તમને સમજાય છે કે નહીં પ્રોબ્લેમ? That is my point.
યસ સર.
Okay, મોહમ્મદ આવેશ.
હા સર ચાલુ જ છે સર, હમણાં મોકલું સર.
Okay, are you getting? If you have any kind of confusion in that, you can ask me, right? પાર્થ કક્કડ, તમારું શું સ્ટેટસ છે? Just tell me.
હેલો,
Yes.
અવાજ આવે છે સર?
Yes.
સર હવે છેલ્લા બે જ બાકી છે, હમણાં મોકલી દો.
Meanwhile, if you have a confusion regarding the problem, we can solve that right now, okay? So that your concept should be clear. See, my point is, you are reading huge amount of material, right? ये તમે 5 પ્રકારના अलग अलग પ્રકારના सब्जेक्ट ભણો છો, आप पढ़ रहे हैं, ठीक है, अलग अलग 5 सब्जेक्ट आप पढ़ रहे हैं, तो वो सारा कंबाइन कर दिया तो आपके लिए कंफ्यूजन ज्यादा रहेगा. तो माय पॉइंट इज, आपको हर एक सब्जेक्ट में से फंडामेंटल्स जो है, कॉन्सेप्ट्स जो है, वो निकाल के रखने हैं अपने माइंड में. एक बार आपने कॉन्सेप्ट समझ लिया तो आपको कभी किताब की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी वो कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ने के लिए, राइट? सो दैट इज माय पॉइंट. पवन कुमार शाह.
સર સબમિટ કર્યું, જોઈ જો તો.
पवन कुमार शाह,
હા સર.
just tell me.
હેલો.
હાલો સર.
yes. हाँ मोकलो. हाँ
સબમિટ વોટ્સએપ માં.
हाँ हाँ જોયું. हाँ
હેલો.
पवन. हाँ यस पवन.
हेलो
आपका
सर.
क्या स्टेटस है? हाँ
हाँ सर.
बताइए, आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है?
સર નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુ था, थोड़े थोड़े समझ में आ रहा है.
हाँ अरे
સર
network
મારું
issue.
સાચું છે, જોઈ લેજો.
हाँ हाँ पवन कुमार.
हाँ सर.
हाँ नेटवर्क इश्यू है ना, ब्रेन में थोड़ा इश्यू है आपको
ना
तो
सर,
आगे से. हाँ
ठीक
आप
सर.
देख लीजिए. ठीक है, अदरवाइज मैं यहाँ पे लिख लेता हूँ, पवन शाह will write the module number 3 PPT writing, right? ઓકે કૃપાલ સિંહ, તમે જે મોકલ્યું છે okay fine, that is fine. And okay, you have to take the node direction as a reference line and in the clockwise direction. That is simple. હવે ભાઈ મનને શું મોકલ્યું છે? right, that is also right. Now Prasid Chavda and Ritwik Vaja. Prasid.
હા સર, ખબર પડી ગઈ, હવે કરું જ છું.
ઓકે ફાઇન.
એટલે ડાયાગ્રામ બની ગયું, હવે બધા એંગલ જે 3 બાકી છે ને એ કરું છું.
हाँ ओके. संतोष कुमार, आपका क्या स्टेटस है?
सर बना रहा हूँ सर.
आपको ये समझ में आ रहा है कि क्या हो रहा है?
यस सर.
ओके. शिवराज सिंह जाडेजा.
સર મારા નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુઝ છે.
નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુ છે, તમે અટેન્ડ નથી કર્યા ને, એટલે તમે એક કામ કરજો ને શિવરાજ, આ મોડ્યુલ 2 એન્ડ મોડ્યુલ 3 એ બંને તમારે લખવાના છે, પણ કેવી રીતે તમને આવડે એવી રીતે પોઈન્ટ વાઇઝ મેનરમાં, રાઈટ? અગાઉ પણ છે પોઈન્ટ વાઇઝ મેનરમાં, એટલે એમાંથી તમને કોઈ પણ પૂછું તમને આવડતો હોવું જોઈએ. Just select few points from that PPT and I will ask the few questions regarding about your writing. તમે જે લખશો એમાંથી જ પૂછીશ, અને આખા બધા ટોપિક્સ આવી જવા જોઈએ એવી રીતે પોઈન્ટ્સ લખવાના, રાઈટ? કમ્પ્લીટ પીપીટી ના લખો તો ચાલશો, પણ તમે પોઈન્ટ લખજો. સુમિત આદ્રોજા.
સારું, ડ્રો થઈ ગયું હોય, નીચેનું 2 જ ખાલી બાકી, ઓલું 2 થઈ ગયા. AOD ને BOC.
અને ઉમેશ કુમાર, આઈ એમ કમિંગ ટુ યુ જૈનબ.
ओके सर.
यस सर. आपका क्या स्टेटस है? हो गया?
यस सर.
ठीक है, आप मुझे भेज दीजिए.
ओके सर.
हाँ राइट. यस परमार.
યસ સર.
તમારો શું સ્ટેટસ છે? તમે મને મોકલ્યું તો છે, રાઈટ? ઓકે યસ. જસ્ટ અ મિનિટ. See, in this figure is important. So have you net તમે ફિગર મને શેર નથી કરી? સેન્ડ મી યોર ફિગર. યસ પરમાર. તમે જે ફિગર ડ્રો કરી એના વગર આ એક્ઝામ્પલ થાય જ નહીં, અથવા સમજવો અઘરો પડે એમ. પાર્થ કક્કડનો આન્સર આવ્યો છે. પાર્થ, your answer is 99 degree, but that is your wrong answer because you can see AOB. Is it okay or not? Just
Yes sir.
Okay, just verifying me. Just verifying it. 30 degree, 140 degree. શ્રી angle BOC is your 361 degree. હવે તમે મને એમ કહો કે આપણે આખું સર્કલ ફરીએ ને તો 360 ડિગ્રી થાય, તમારે 361 કેવી રીતે આવ્યો? સમજાય છે ભાઈ? આ પાર્થ કક્કડ.
હા હા સર સમજી ગયો ક્યાં ભૂલ થઈ.
હા 100% કરતા વધારે હોય કોઈ વસ્તુ?
ના સર.
એવું છે 360 ડિગ્રી ટોટલ આપણો છે તો તમારો એક એંગલ 361 ડિગ્રી આવ્યો. સો ધેટ ઇઝ યોર રોંગ આન્સર. આ તમારું પરસેપ્શન ખોટું છે, સુધારો
હા
આને.
સર. હા
યસ
સર
પરમાર.
મારો સર
Yes, Kripal, you are right. Jainab, yes, tell me, what is your status?
સર
Jainab.
એકવાર આન્સર કહેશો? આન્સર એક્ઝેક્ટ શું આવે છે?
Yes, that we are going to discuss. We will also solve that in front of your screen so that
ઓકે
everybody
સર.
can understand. Okay, તો આપણે અલ્ટિમેટ કન્ક્લુઝન એવું નીકળ્યું છે. Deepak Kumar is trying to solve the example. Karan Kumar also trying to solve the example. Khanjan Parmar also trying.
Yes, sir.
Manan Parmar completed. Khushi have a doubt. Kuldeep Dadal will write the both modules. Pawan Kumar Shah also write the module number 3. Shivraj Singh Jadeja will also write down the module 2 and 3 in point-wise manner. Meanwhile, Pawan Shah, you can also write down the module number 3 in a point-wise manner, which cover all topics of the compass surveying, right? So this is my conclusion. Now let us compare your answer and your understanding with the correct one, right? પેલા હું તમને આન્સર બતાવી દઉં. તમે અહીંયા ફિગર જોશો તમે. See, this is your figure. Now you can compare your answer with this figure, this one. So here you can see the first and foremost thing, you must be aware about the whole circle bearing method, right? કે પહેલા તો તમારે north, south, east and west direction mark કરવી પડે, because without direction you cannot do the surveying. तो पहला तुम्हारे एक रेफरेंस लाइन जो से आपको एक रेफरेंस लाइन चाहिए होगी, तो वो रेफरेंस लाइन आप नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन लेनी होती है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये एंगल्स जो हमें दिए हैं वो सारे हमारे इसमें है, वो है वॉल सर्कल बेरिंग में है, राइट? तो हमारा OA लाइन का जो बेरिंग था वो 30 डिग्री 30 मिनट थे, राइट? तो आपको नॉर्थ लाइन से आना है यहाँ से, और बेटर है कि मैं इसको आपको उसमें लेके जाऊं तो आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा. Okay, we are taking 1 more minute, and meanwhile you just write down your roll number in the chat box. Okay, so that, and do not write your roll number twice because it is confusing to me. તમે એક વખત નંબર લખો છે તો તમે ફરીથી ના લખતા, કારણ કે કન્ફ્યુઝન ક્રિએટ કરે છે, એના લીધે બીજા લોકોની એબ્સન્ટ જતી રહેશે. So that is my point. અને તમને જ્યારે કહેવામાં આવે ત્યારે જ તમારે રોલ નંબર લખવાનો, અગાઉ નહીં. કારણ કે વસ્તુ શું છે કે એક રાઈટ ટાઈમ અથવા રાઈટ પ્લેસ કે પોઈન્ટ આગળ હું તમારો ઓપિનિયન લેતો હોઉં, એટલે તમારે મને ત્યારે જ રિપ્લાય કરવાનો જ્યારે તમને કહેવામાં આવે, રાઈટ? સો ધીસ ઇઝ અવર આન્સર, ધીસ ઇઝ ધ ફિગર, રાઈટ? Is this visible to you? See, my point is, first and foremost thing, you need to draw these 4 points: north, south, east and west. Then and then you can carry it out a survey. So plus mark is required every time while you are calculating the example. This is the symbol of learning, right? सर्वेइंग તમે કરો છો તો આ વસ્તુ તમને ખબર જ હોવી જોઈએ. પ્લસ સાઇન મૂકી જ દેવાની, પહેલા आपको प्लस तो ऐड करना ही है, राइट? उसके बाद आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि यहाँ पे होता है 0 डिग्री, ठीक है? दिस इज द मैथमेटिक्स स्टैंडर्ड 5. यहाँ पे होता है 90 डिग्री अगर मैं इसको क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में मूव करता हूँ इस तरह से, राइट? ठीक है, तो यहाँ से यहाँ आए तो 90 डिग्री मिला, तो ये होता है 180 डिग्री. ये आपको समझ में आ रहा होना चाहिए, ठीक है? इट इज वेरी सिंपल. तो ये होता है 270 डिग्री. क्यों? क्योंकि 90 3 270 एंड यहाँ पे होता है वापस से 360 डिग्री. तो किसी का आंसर तो इसके पार चला गया। 360 डिग्री के बाहर कभी आंसर आ ही नहीं सकता मित्र। दैट इज माय पॉइंट। तो अब तक का सारा जो आपने पढ़ाई किया उसमें कुछ गलती ज्यादा रहेगी। दैट इज माय पॉइंट। फिर आपको 30 डिग्री एंड 30 मिनट दिया हुआ है, तो आपको मेजर कहाँ से करना है? ऑलवेज नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन से ही करना है। ये दैट इज द वर्ल्ड सर्कल बेरिंग मेथोडोलॉजी, राइट? सो आई एम इरेजिंग दिस थिंग so that we can easily understand, right? So my point is, you need to draw the lines. This is the plan. First of all, put a point. Angle is 30 degree and 30 minutes. So it will come always between 0 to 90. છે કે નહીં? તો 30 ડિગ્રી 0 અને 90 વચ્ચે જ આવે. પછી અહીંયા આવશે 180 ડિગ્રી, 270 ડિગ્રી અને 272 360 ડિગ્રી, right? Then your B point is located at the 140 degree, 140 degree and 15 minutes. So this will come or how it like that. We are starting from the north direction. We will end it over here at the 140 degree, because it is 140 degrees between 90 degree and 180 degree. That is the point. So it will come into the second quadrant, first quadrant. This is second quadrant. See, if you are compare this with the Cartesian Yam Paddhati, in the Cartesian, this is the rotation 1, 2, 3, and 4. But in the surveying, we will also always move in the clockwise direction. So that is the case, right? So it is the completely reverse rotation with respect to the Cartesian system. Then we have a third angle, 220 degree and 45, and finally 310 degree, 30 minutes. Then the remaining task is simple. Here you can see what is our aim is to find out the angle AOB. So where is angle AOB? A, O, and B. So this is the angle. Let us say this is Karan Kumar, Karan Kumar K, right? So that is the K angle, you can say. So તમારે શું કરવું પડે? What do you need to do? Just subtract 30 degree and 30 minutes from the 140, right? So that is your answer. इतना चाहिए तो हमारे पूरा है, यहाँ पे हमें पहुंचना है, तो पूरे इतना दिया हुआ है आपको। लेट अस से कंप्लीट x है, ये y है और z है। तो z आप कैसे फाइंड करोगे? तो z इज इक्वल टू पूरा है जो टोटल है x है, उसमें से आप y बात कर दीजिए। ये आपको समझना पड़ेगा। हाँ, इफ यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिस थिंग्स, my dear friends, you have a huge problem regarding the mathematics. And we are interested in the finding out the angle BOC. So where is B? B is here, O is at the center, and C is here. So we are interested to finding out this. Let us name it as a Pawan Kumar Shah P, right? So this is for P. We need to find the Pawan. So what we can do? We will see the angle that this is 220 degree, right? 220 degree and 45 minutes. And if we subtract this amount 140 degree, so we will get the answer, right? And finally, angle COD, C is here, O is here, and D is here. So we are interested to find out this angle also, and this is for Sivraj S. So this is the complete understanding of the one particular module, right? So I hope that you are getting this. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, you can join the another lecture. Okay, and you can write down your roll number if you have forgotten.
સર ઓલો મોકલી, સર ઓલો પ્રોબ્લેમ 1 મોકલી દીધો તમને.
Okay, ultimate thing is you need to compare this with your answer. બીજું કાઈ નથી. હવે ડાઉટ હોય તો પૂછજો, otherwise you can leave it.
ઓકે સર. આવો.
હા સર.
હા જી સુમિત.
હા સર, અમાર રિઝલ્ટ નથી આવતું સર. મારે ને મિતને બેને દેખાડતા જ નથી.
તમે પૂછ્યું તમે કે બેને?
હા સર, જય સર કહેતો હતા તમારા સીસી સર ને પૂછી લેજો. એટલે એને નંબર દીધા હે છવીને સીધી કોલ નંબર.
ઓકે, જસ્ટ મને છે ને થોડો ટાઈમ આપો, મને સાંજે પાછો ફોન કરો ને.
પૂછાવી દો.
હા કાંઈ
બને હા.
હા
ચાલો બીજું કઈ any doubt, you can leave the meeting and you can join. Ankit Kumar and Kuldeep Dadar.